Hello nail stampers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally it came in the mail. It's my first Shein nail hole. Let's go ahead and see what works from Shein and what not. If you still haven't subscribed to my channel, click on subscribe and tap on bell icon so that you won't miss out anything in future. Here's a 20 pieces nail art brushes and dotting tool set. I already had one, but I thought of buying a new one and adding to my collection. By using these brushes, you easily can do creative nail art. Here are some dotting tools. These make dot nail art much easier. And it came with different sizes. There are 5 dotting tools that you can easily do different sizes of dots. Here are 50 pieces of disposable nail art brushes set. I bought these tiny brushes to do simple nail art. You can also use these brushes to do wing eyeliner or any kind of makeup. These nail files are in decent quality. I'm glad that it came with 5. I already used one of these and it works really well. Such a great deal. This 150 grit is ideal for shaping and reducing bulk on nail enhancements. Nail files are never enough for me, so I went and bought another 50 pieces mini nail files. You can actually use both the sides, and also you can use one file up to 2-3 uses. It's very cute and handy. Here are some Watercolor nail stickers. It has some sort of watercolor effect on flowers. I have done a video on how to apply Watercolor stickers using this nail sticker sheet. It's in the above card, you can go check it out. Here's another plant themed water decor nail sticker sheet. It's super cute and can't wait to try these on my nails. These sponges can be used to do gradient nails. Each pack has 8 pieces gradient nail soft sponges, and I bought 2 packs as I love to do gradient nails. It's a nail polish remover bottle. It's very easy to use and can be used for liquid products such as makeup remover, acetone and toners. It comes with a handy lock feature. It's a 2-piece nail art stamping kit. It has one scraper and also a stamper. The stamper is double-sided, so you can use both the sides. These anti-overflow tools are going to be super helpful if you have shaky hands when painting your nails. or when you paint your nails with non-dominant hand. It also has different sizes to fit in your nails. There were some French nail stickers which was a free gift. Here's another abstract theme water decals. You can do beautiful nails with them. I bought another nail stamping kit which has a pretty stamping plate. It also has a clear stamper and a scraper. Clear stampers help you to see through the design when you stamp, which makes stamping more easier. Make sure you remove the blue protective film before you stamp. You can also use this stamper to do French manicure hack which went viral recently. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again soon in next video. Bye bye.